Living in Green Cove Springs, Florida, offers a relaxed lifestyle surrounded by natural beauty and a strong sense of community. However, like much of Florida, the area is also prone to seasonal storms and hurricanes that can cause severe damage if homes aren't properly protected. For families looking to safeguard their property and loved ones, hurricane-resistant windows have become one of the most important upgrades you can make. These advanced windows not only shield your home during intense weather but also enhance safety, comfort, and efficiency all year long. Here's why investing in hurricane-resistant windows is a smart and lasting decision for Green Cove Springs homeowners. Built to withstand Florida's harshest weather, traditional windows can shatter under high winds or flying debris during a hurricane, leaving your home vulnerable to water damage, pressure changes, and dangerous projectiles. Hurricane-resistant windows, also known as impact windows, are specifically engineered to stand up to these extreme conditions. These windows are made using laminated glass, 2 layers of glass bonded with a durable interlayer of polyvinyl butyryl, PVB, or similar material. Even if the glass cracks, it remains adhered to the interlayer, preventing shattering and keeping the window intact. The result? A barrier that resists windborne debris, rain, and pressure changes, protecting your family and your home's structure during the most severe storms. In Green Cove Springs, where hurricanes and tropical storms are a regular concern, having these windows installed means being ready for the unexpected, without the need for last-minute boarding or storm panels. Enhanced safety and home security. Hurricane-resistant windows do more than protect against weather, they also enhance your home's everyday security. Because the laminated glass is so strong, it's incredibly difficult to break through, deterring intruders and keeping your home safe year-round. Unlike standard glass, which can shatter instantly, impact windows resist break-ins by requiring multiple, forceful attempts to penetrate, usually enough to discourage anyone trying to gain entry. For Green Cove Springs families, that means peace of mind whether you're at home, on vacation, or simply asleep at night. Energy efficiency that saves you money. Hurricane-resistant windows aren't just tough, they're also energy efficient. Many models are built with low-E coatings, insulated frames, and argon gas fills, all designed to reduce heat transfer. That means your air conditioner doesn't have to work as hard to keep your home cool during Florida's hot, humid summers. The result? Lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment. In winter, these same features help trap heat inside, maintaining consistent indoor temperatures throughout the year. Over time, this efficiency adds up to significant savings, making hurricane windows a smart investment that pays for itself in multiple ways. Noise reduction and everyday comfort. Green Cove Springs may be peaceful, but like any growing community, outside noise, from traffic, lawn care, or nearby activity, can still be a nuisance. Hurricane-resistant windows naturally provide superior sound insulation thanks to their multiple glass layers and tight seals. This noise-reducing quality helps create a calm, quiet environment indoors, perfect for families who value comfort and relaxation. You'll notice less outdoor noise during the day and more restful nights of sleep. Improved curb appeal and property value. Today's hurricane-resistant windows aren't just functional, they're also beautiful. Available in a variety of styles, from casement and sliding to picture and double-hung designs, they enhance your home's appearance while providing powerful protection. New, high-quality windows can dramatically boost curb appeal and even increase resale value. In Florida's competitive real estate market, buyers appreciate knowing a home already includes storm protection and energy-efficient upgrades, making your property more attractive when it's time to sell. Long-term durability and low maintenance. Because they're built for extreme weather, hurricane-resistant windows are incredibly durable. They resist corrosion, fading, and warping, important features for homes exposed to Florida's humidity and salt air. They also require minimal maintenance compared to shutters or temporary storm barriers. Once installed, they provide 24/7 protection without any setup or storage required before each storm season. Final thoughts for families in Green Cove Springs. Hurricane-resistant windows are more than just a smart home improvement. They're an investment in safety, comfort, and peace of mind. They protect against high winds, flying debris, and intruders while offering energy savings, noise reduction, and lasting value. When professionally installed, these windows provide a seamless combination of strength and style, keeping your home secure and beautiful year after year. In Florida's unpredictable weather, the best protection is preparation. With hurricane-resistant windows, your Green Cove Springs home can stay safe, efficient, and resilient, no matter what storm season brings.